Okay, thanks to everybody. Today we'll discuss a new part of a probability distribution, another part, Poisson distributions and its basic properties. In previous classes, we have discussed about a discrete probability distribution and continuous probability distribution. And then we have discussed binomial distributions with its properties, basic properties, and solve different kinds of problem relating to binomial distributions. Now today we'll discuss about Poisson distribution and its basic concepts. Okay, first of all, actually Poisson, we will discuss some more about Poisson distribution. The Poisson distribution was developed by the French mathematician Simon Denis Poisson in 1837. This is the historical notes on Poisson distribution, and Simon Denis Poisson 17 to 18, 18 to 40, and this is his biography. Actually, what is Poisson distribution? First of all, the Poisson distribution is a discrete probability distribution for the counters of events that occur randomly in a given interval of time or space, same one. Many experimental situations occurs in which we observe the count of events within a set of time, area, volume, length, etc. For example, the number of cases of a disease in different towns. Actually, we are suffering for COVID-19 in the whole world. About 215 countries are suffering for that. But if we can do research using Poisson distribution in the COVID situation, the number of cases of COVID-19 in different towns. Suppose we can collect data from Dhaka or Chittagong based, then we can use this distribution, probability distribution, to find out the approximate result. The number of mutations in a set seized regions of a chromosome. You must know chromosome is an organ of a cell. The mutations can be set seized regions of a chromosome with the help of Poisson distributions. So the Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution we can define in another way. The Poisson distribution is a limiting form of the binomial distribution in which n, the number of trials, total number of trials, becomes very large, and p, probability of success of the event, is very, very small. That means we can express the Poisson distribution as the limiting case of binomial distribution when n is very large and p is very small. P means probability of success and n is the number of probability. In that case, the graphical depiction of Poisson distribution we get. Actually, this is the graphical depiction of Poisson distribution. In the history, you must know the historical notes. The French mathematician Simon Poisson in 1837, and the first application was the description of the number of deaths by horse kicking in the Prussian army. Actually, he had done a research in this year 1837, and he discovered it. Actually, why we need Poisson distribution? The Poisson distribution used in cases where the chance of any individual event being a success is very small. The distribution is used to describe the behavior of rare events. For example, the number of defective screws per box of 5,000 screws, to find out the defective screws. Okay. In second one, the number of printing mistakes in each page of the first proof of the book. You must know this is a very practical example for applying a Poisson distribution. The number of air accidents in India in 1 year. Actually, if we consider the total number of accidents in our country, suppose in our country the air accident in a year, then it will be we must need a two Poisson distribution. Occurrence of number of scratches on a sheet of glass. To calculate the number of occurrences of scratches, we can apply Poisson distribution. So use of Poisson distribution in pharmaceuticals, we can use in biostatistics. That means is a part of pharmaceuticals. We can use this one. Actually, this Poisson distribution in pharmaceutical is very important now, because due to the COVID-19 situation, the control limits of the number of tables rejected from an online mental detector during tablet comparison cycle. Actually, this is the use of in pharmaceuticals. Now, the Poisson distribution, the representation of Poisson distribution. Suppose the equation, the probability of observing X events in a given interval is given by probability of X equals to e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power X, X factorial. Actually, this is the equation of Poisson distribution. And this is the main equation of this slide. Poisson distribution, the probability function of Poisson distribution can be defined equals to lambda to the power X e to the power minus lambda divided by X factorial, where X is the successors 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Remember it. And where lambda is the long run average and E is the 2-point Euler numbers. You must know E is the Euler numbers, and equals to 2.718282, the base of natural logarithm. Here three part. One is lambda, which is the mean value, and lambda is also can be denoted by variance. Okay, and square root lambda will be the what? Standard deviation. Okay, the Poisson distribution is a discrete distribution with a single parameter. Where M increase the distribution shift to the right. Actually, this is the distribution, and lambda. This is the line for different values of lambda, and graphical depiction will be like this. This is the number of M. So all the Poisson distribution is skewed to right, not left. This is the reason why the Poisson probability distribution has been called the probability of distribution of rare events. We have to remember this important notes on Poisson distribution. Actually, for example, we can apply the Poisson distribution like this. The average number of accidents at a particular intersection every year is 18. Okay, the average number of accidents at a particular intersection every year is 18. Now you have to calculate the probability that there are exactly 2 accidents there this month. In this month, there will be exactly 2 accidents. So there are 12 months in a year. So lambda will be what? 18 by 12, because there are total accident, average accident is 18 in 1 year. This is why we have to calculate in month. This is why dividing by number of months in a year. That means 18 by 12. It will be 1.5 accident per month. Okay. Now probability of X equals to exactly 2 accidents. So we have to find out the probability. Probability of for exactly 2 equals to e to the, you must know this is the formula for what? Poisson distribution. E to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power X, X factorial. It lambda equals to what? 1.5. Then 2 factorial equals to probability of success is X equals to 2. That means exactly 2 accidents. So the probability will be 0.2510. This is the example of probability distribution. Another one, calculate the probability that there is at least 1 accident in this month. At least 1 accident. Now we have to calculate the probability of exactly greater than 1 or greater equal to X. That means it may be X equals to 1, X equals to 2, X equals to 3 dot dot plus up to what? Infinite. So we can take the complement of probability of X equal to 0. Complement of X equals to 0 means what? All at least 1 accident in this month we can calculate. So if we take probability of X equals to 0, then just putting lambda equals to 1.5 from the previous values. Okay, then x equals to 0 factorial, then it will be the probability of what? X equals to 0. That means probability of 0 accident. Then probability of x greater or equal to 1, what will be? Total probability minus probability of x equals to 0. That means 0 accident. Then we get the whole probability of at least one accident in this month will be 0.7769. This is a very interesting example of Poisson distribution. Derivation of Poisson distribution. Now we'll derive the Poisson distribution from binomial distribution. The probability of success, suppose the probability of success is x. Okay, probability of success, and the total trials is n. Okay, then probability density function of binomial distribution is probability x equals to NCX probability of x, p to the power x, q to the power n minus x, where x equals to 0, 1, 2, dot dot up to n, where n is finite. Remember it, because in probability distribution under the binomial, n is the finite. Now we want to the limiting form of probability of x under the above conditions. Now we will apply three conditions for the distribution. So this can be written as probability x equals to NCX p to the power x, and p equals to what? 1 minus p. Do you know this? Because p plus q equals to what? P plus q equals to what? 1. This is why q equals to 1 minus p, since p plus q equals to 1. You have to remember this. P plus q equals to 1. Now this can be written as this equals to NC, x means combination formula, factorial x and minus x factorial. Okay, and minus x factorial, then p equals to m by n to the power x, and 1 minus m by n to the power n minus x. Since m equals to np. Mean equals to what? In case of binomial distribution, mean m equals to n into p. P is the probability of success, n is the total number of trials. So this can be written as, this factorial n means what? You must know n into n minus 1, n minus 2, dot dot up to n minus x plus 1, okay? Divided by x factorial m by n to the power x into 1 minus m by n to the power n minus x. Remember it. This can be written as, it can be say, hello,
Ji sir.
can be seen now this line, every line you are watching.
Ji sir.
Okay, thank you. Now this line can be written as m to the power x divided by x factorial. That means this m to the power x and this x factorial, n into n minus 1, n minus 2, dot dot n minus x plus 1. This divided by this n to the power x, 1 minus m by n to the power n. This will be what? 1 minus m to the power n, and 1 minus m by n to the power x will be in the denominator. Okay. Just this to the power n into this to the power minus x. 1 minus m divided by n to the power n into 1 minus m to the power n to the power minus x. Okay. Minus x will be in denominator. What will be? Plus x. Using exponential third equation. Now, just dividing by n in to each term, n to the power x, n divided by n to the power x, this divided by n to the power x, and this divided by n to the power x, we can write this as a line, m to the power x divided by x factorial. This will be 1 minus 1 by n, 1 minus 2 by n, dot dot up to what will be 1 minus x minus 1 divided by n. There are x number of n. This is why dividing, putting each n number of x number of n in the denominator of each term of the numerator. Okay. And this will be 1 minus m by n to the power n. This divided by 1 minus m by n to the power x. Now we have to use some properties, three properties of Poisson distribution. Since x, sorry, n tends to infinity, that means Poisson distribution exists for trials will be what? Infinite. Then 1 by n, 2 by n, at something by n will be what? 0. Okay. Then 1 by n, 2 by n, dot dot x minus 1 divided by this will be what? 0, because n tends to infinity. And another 1 divided by m by n to the power 1 minus m by n to the power x tends to what? This will be 1 for n tends to limit. Okay. For limit what? Limit n tends to infinity. This value what? Tends to equals to 1. And limit n tends to infinity 1 minus m to the power m. What will be? Actually, this will be e to the power minus m. Okay. From the limit properties, we can write. Hence,
Sir, आप দেখা
hence,
যাচ্ছে না নিচে।
okay. Now watching.
No sir,
Now,
না স্যার আরেকটু নিচে নামাইতে হবে। নিচে
now
হ্যাঁ,
watching.
yes sir.
Okay. Thank you. Now watching everybody.
Yes sir.
Okay. So hence we can write limit n tends to infinity. N tends to infinity. That means probability density function of binomial distribution can lead to m to the power x. This is the m to the power x divided by x factorial, and this is what? Actually, this is 1. This value what? 1. And each value 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. This all 0. And this equals to what? E to the power minus m. Okay. E to the power minus m. So this is the actually, which is the required Poisson distribution function, which is the required Poisson probability density function. Okay. This is the required Poisson probability density function. I hope if you do practice, then you can solve easily. Okay. This is the required Poisson probability density function. So the Poisson distribution can be defined. We have defined actually the Poisson distribution as the limiting case of the binomial distribution under the following 3 conditions. Number 1, the number of trials are very large and is infinity. Okay, the probability of success P is very small. Where that means P tends to 0. Very small means what? P tends to 0, very near to 0. P is the probability of success, and the mean of the binomial distribution M equals to what was? NP, a finite and a positive constant. Then we have proved or derived the probability function of Poisson distribution. Okay, Px equals to e to the power m to the power x divided by x factorial, where success x equals to 0 to infinity. Okay, we have derived the Poisson distribution from the binomial distribution by using these 3 conditions. Remember it. Okay, we have derived it what? By using these 3 conditions. Now the mean of Poisson distribution. You must know the probability density function of our Poisson distribution is PR. R means x. You can use x factorial, x or r, anyone. So probability of r equals to the power minus m to the power r, then r factorial. Okay, this is the formula of Poisson distribution we have derived. Now similar with the similar of binomial distribution, successor r equals to 0 to up to infinity. Okay, then frequency what will be? Frequency will be for r equals to 0 value what? This. For r equals to 1, e to the power m to the power 1 factorial. For r equals to 2, these values. Okay, for r equals to 3 and for r equals to just formula. Then f frequency multiply successor will be this, same as binomial distribution for finding mean. Okay, we have discussed in previous class to find out the mean, median and moments of for binomial distribution. Now summation fr what will be? Summation fr means this plus this plus this plus this. Okay, summation of fr will be this. Okay, now we can take e to the power minus m and m as a common from each term. Then this equals to e to the power minus m into m. What will be? 1 plus m by factorial 1 m square by factorial 2 m to the power r minus 1 by r minus 1 factorial. M to the power r from here 1 m is common. This is why is to become m to the power r minus 1 up to infinity. So this is a formula of what? E to the power m. E to the power m is a series of what? 1 plus m by factorial 1 m square by factorial 2 plus dot dot infinity. Okay, so e to the power minus m and e to the power m will be cancelled, so only we get m. That means summation fr equals to what? M. Now mean equals to what? Summation fr divided by total number of frequency. Summation fr equals to what was? M, and total number of frequency what? Total number of frequency is 1. This is why we get mean equals to m. Understand everybody? Mean equals to what? M.
M.
And now standard deviation, similarly we can find out the standard deviation of Poisson distribution. This is the formula for Poisson distribution probability density function, where the r is the successor. In our previous definition, x was the successor. We replacing x for r. Now for different r, 0, 1, 2, 3, this is the first column, frequency will be the second column as the previous table. Now product of rf, what will be this? Product of 0 into this what? 0, and 1 into this one what? This. Now 2 into this what? 2 will be cancelled, only this term. Okay, now 3 multiply this, what will be this? Now again r square f what will be? That means this multiply this one. Okay, this multiply this one, what will be this? This multiply rf, r into rf. So multiplying each r to each rf, we get this column, fourth column. Okay, now summation f equals to what was? 1, and summation fr what was from previous table? M. Okay, so summation fr square what was? Just taking addition of all term up to infinity. Okay, just 0 plus e to the power minus m into m, 2 into this plus dot dot plus this one plus up to infinity. So taking common from each term, m into e to the power m minus m, we get this 1 plus twice m plus thrice m square by factorial 2 plus 4m cube by factorial 3 plus dot dot. Okay, just taking common from each term. Now m into e to the power minus m, what will be? 1 plus m, this twice m divided into 2 part. We are making 2 series from this 1 series. Okay, 1 is here and 1 m is here and second m is this. So this is the first m square by factorial 2, another 2 m square by factorial 2 is here, and here taking m cube by factorial 3 and another 3 m cube by factorial 3 in the second series. Then here we are dividing this, and this is the m to the power r minus 1. Okay, r times here, r times m to the power r minus 1 divided by r minus 1 factorial. So we have taken only one term and another r minus 1 term in the second series. Okay, so we got actually 2 series from 1 series. Now this is the within second bracket up to infinite. This is the infinite series, and here taking m common from each term, m taking m common, we get 1 plus another series. Okay, so this is the formula of what? E to the power m. Okay, and this is also formula of what? E to the power m. E to the power m equals to 1 plus x m by factorial 1 m square by factorial 2 dot dot up to infinity. Okay, and here m multiplied with this. Now e to the power m common, and then e to the power m into e to the power minus m, what will be? 1. because e to the power same base e to the power minus m plus m what e to the power 0. E to the power 0 means what? 1. This is why we get only m plus m square. Now you must know the equation of variance what? Summation fr square divided by summation f minus summation fr divided by summation f whole square. This is the mean. Okay, and this is the summation fr square. This is the value of summation fr square. This one summation fr square value what was? This one m plus m square. Now putting summation m fr square values and summation f total number of frequency what? 1 and minus, and this is the mean m square. So m square will be cancelled. We get only m. That means standard deviation equals to what? Sorry, variance equals to what? M. So standard deviation will be square root of variance. That means sigma equals to root over m. Very easy for you. Poisson distribution finding mean and median variance or a standard deviation from Poisson distribution using Poisson distribution is very interesting and easy for you. Actually, this is the binomial expansion. This is the quadratic formula and 1 plus x whole to the power n formula. This is the binomial expression. Binomial expression, and x plus y whole to the power n also binomial expression will be like this. And this is the series of e to the power x formula. You can write down e to the power x formula what? 1 plus x square by factorial 2 plus x cube by factorial 3 plus dot dot. Okay, infinity after infinity. And this is the another series ln 1 plus x sin theta. We can express this series. Okay, and this is the very important series for Poisson distribution we are using. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Okay, the standard deviation is square root over m. Just variance sigma square what was? Only m. Okay, so the standard deviation is square root over m. Hence the mean and variance of a Poisson distribution are each equal to m. Very interesting. The properties of Poisson distribution. Mean and variance is equal for Poisson distribution. Remember it. Similarly, we can obtain third corrected moments or moments, central moments, third central moments equals to m. Mu4 equals to also this. Beta 1 equals to this, beta 2. This is the Carl Pearson's beta coefficient. Using moments, we can find out. And gamma coefficients also this. This is homework for you. You can using just formula. Now mean deviation, we can find out actually mean deviation for Poisson distribution function. Now show that in a Poisson distribution with unit mean, and the mean deviation about the mean is 2 by e times the standard deviation. Now you have to show this result. This is actually the probability density function for Poisson distribution, but mean equals to what was? Mean 1, because unit mean, this is given what? Unit mean. This is why mean equals to m equals to what? 1. And standard deviation what was? Square root over m equals to what? Square root over 1. That means only 1. Hence the probability density function in that case, the probability density function for Poisson distribution will reduces to e to the power minus m by r factorial. Okay, m to the power r will be what? 1. This is why e to the power minus 1 divided by r factorial equals to what? 1 by e divided by 1 by r factorial. Okay, using this, using the given condition unit mean. Okay, we can probability density function for Poisson distribution will be what? 1 by e into 1 by r factorial. Now we can tabulize this into 4 column. Now r will be considered 0 to up to what? R successors. Then probability r will be what? For r equals to 0, 1 by e. For r equals to 1, 1 by e to the into 1 by 1 factorial. That means this. For r equals to 2, 2 by this one. For r equals to 3, this in the and for r equals to r, this will be. Okay. Now r minus 1 absolute value what will be? Okay. R equals to what? 0. And 0 minus 1 absolute value what? Only 1. And 1 minus 1 what will be? 0. 2 minus 1 what? 1. 3 minus 1 what? 2. 4 minus 1 what will be, and r minus 1 will be only this. We have to take all positive values because absolute value. Okay, now multiplying with this probability of r, probability density function PR, that means multiply this equals to this, and multiply this and this will be what, 0. Multiply this into 1, it will be this. Multiply this into 2 will be this. In the same way, multiply this, r minus 1 will be what, r minus this one. Now summation of this, taking third column, summation of all terms of the fourth column, summation this plus this plus this plus up to this one. We can take summation p, probability of r minus 1, absolute value of r minus 1 will be first term plus second term, third term, fourth term up to last term, dot dot infinity. Remember it. For Poisson distribution, you have to take infinite terms. Now taking 1 by e as a common, 1 by e is a common, we can get a series, just this one. Okay. Now 1 by e into, we can divide it into two parts. That means 1 plus 0 will be cancelled. 1 by 2 factorial can be written as 1 by 1 factorial minus 1 by 1 factorial means what? 0. Okay. 0 can be written as what? 1 by 1 factorial minus 1 by 1 factorial. And 1 by 2 factorial can be written as 2 by 2 factorial minus 1 by 2 factorial. Okay. 1 by 2 factorial can be written as 2 by 2 factorial two by 2 factorial minus 1 by 2 factorial. Okay. 2 by 3 factorial can be written as what? 3 by 3 factorial minus 1 by 3 factorial. Just making two term. Each term making two terms. Okay. And r minus 1 by r factorial can be written as r minus r by r factorial divided minus 1 by r factorial. Now we can split it into two series. Taking first one, we can first series we can take, then taking second one, second will be make another series. Okay. Second series. Okay. Now just taking common, this is the first series, plus dot dot, and taking minus common, we can take another, we can find another series. This will be, and this is plus 1, because we have put here another one. So this one and this one will be what? Cancelled. To make a series, we needed to use another one. This is why we had added this one. Now this series actually e to the power 1. Formula what? E to the power 1. This is the formula of what? E to the power 1. And this is also formula of e to the power 1. So after adding, we are taking 2 divided by e, and this is the multiply standard deviation. This is the actually result. We have derived this one. Okay, thanks to everybody. Today we have discussed about what is Poisson distribution and what are the properties of Poisson distribution, and we derived Poisson distribution as the limiting case of binomial distribution. That means using three properties, important properties. Then we have discussed some example of Poisson distribution in our real life examples. Then we have found we have tried to find the mean, standard deviation or variance by using Poisson distribution. Thanks to everybody and best of luck to everybody.